Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. Today we are working on this DeLonghi bean to cup machine, Magnifica called. And the problem with this one is that the grinder selector, the one here, see, it's stuck on the finer position, so on number 1, and if you want to change, it only goes to number 3, but not anymore. So only these two positions, which is really fine coffee. So therefore I would want to repair this, and I want to show you how to do it. Okay, so first of all, you have to unscrew 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 1 through 3 on the on the back side of the unit. Then the side cover and the back cover and the side covers will come out. So for this, I will remove the tray. And let's unscrew. I also forgot to remove the water tank. I will do it now. Just to not get in the way. Let's continue with the unscrewing. Okay, and then the last one here. Seems I forgot to put the screw machine to charge, so I will remove the side covers like a sliding motion. This, and then the back cover comes out like this, and then we have to remove the upper part, the one with the lid. So we have 1 screw here and 2 screws on the side, like 1 here and 1 on the other side, so 3 in total, 4. So also here there is 1. So 1 is out. So sorry, I don't have a camera holder, so this is the only position I can put the camera in. But once the screws will be out, then you can see the most important part. So all 4 screws are now out, and now we can just take this middle part out. Okay, seems that we have to go to bring also the face plate. There are two additional screws on the side. I will do that only to mitigate the risk of breaking the plastics. Okay. Let's remove the knob. And now we remove the face plate and also the upper part can be now completely removed. Good. So we are now with access to the grinder. Here we have to remove the central part here. Let's see how we would do that. Gently, without scratching this. Oop, like that. And now inside here we have a screw. We have to unscrew this one. Looks like a Phillips screw. Okay. And now we can lift this knob out. Can remove also the metal part here. And we can also remove the container. We can also clean it a little bit. And let's address the problem of this mechanism. So first of all, we can remove this selector handle here. Okay, we can also clean this a little bit. If we are here, then we can remove this from here. And now this works much better. So what happens is that sometimes coffee gets into this part here and obstructs the motion. So for this, you see it's already here blocked. So for this, what we will do is take a little bit of oil, special industrial oil, food grade qualified, and I will pour here just a little bit and let physics do the rest. Okay. Good. Now I will clean a little bit this part and put everything back together. Okay, so we have cleaned everything. Now we have to assemble all together. We have the dial in the right position for grind number 1. Here we have 2 hooks and 1 guiding part, and you can see here the position for the 2 hooks here and the guiding part. So it has to be something like this. It has to snap into position. It clicks, so like this. Then we have 3 positions here and 3 hooks. You can put it in any order you want. Just be sure that it will be positioned inside of that. Like that. Then we need to put this. For this we need a little bit of strength. Because this ring here is actually needed for this handle to not get out. To put it again, snapped out. And I think now we should be fine. Like this. Then let's put this back in, and I think now we should be fine. We need to recover this small piece here. Put this back. Like so. And you see now it finally works. So yeah, this is how you do it. It only takes a little bit of grease. Put that grease there and then you are fine to go. The process of assembling everything is the same, just the other way around. So as you can see, the entire unit is almost assembled. Only the side panel is out, just for you to see the mechanism. As you can see here, the knob now is set to 3 grind, but I can set it to 7 or 5 or 3 or either one, and now it works. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and if you have any question, please let them down in the comment section below. So then see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.